Crucial actions for AGE success. To ensure the successful operation of the autonomous gear economy, a series of crucial actions need to be performed. Establishment of autonomous policies. The primary task involves creating policies based on autonomy, fostering an environment conducive to the economic system's operation. This may include planning production guidelines for essential goods, establishing autonomous management institutions, and developing a shared community framework to systematically guide the autonomous gear economy toward its objectives. Resource sharing mechanism. At the core of the autonomous gear economy is resource sharing. To ensure the equitable circulation of goods and services, an efficient resource sharing mechanism needs to be in place. This addresses the issue of unequal resource allocation in traditional economic systems, promoting shared prosperity among community members. Efficient community management institutions. To safeguard the rights of everyone in the economic system, an efficient community management institution needs establishment. This institution is responsible for supervising and coordinating economic activities, addressing potential conflicts and issues, ensuring the smooth operation of the entire economic system, and enhancing trust among community members. Decentralized financial system. Reducing dependence on the traditional financial system, the autonomous gear economy can consider creating a decentralized financial system for the community. This method not only encourages economic independence but also strengthens community members' sovereignty over possessions and the economy's overall production value.